Hi, Naveen.
Hi, sir.
How are you?
I'm good, sir. What about you?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. Yes, Naveen. Where are you from?
I'm from Janham district, sir.
Okay. And what is your education qualification?
My education qualifications become computer applications
From which college?
from Jagrati Degree and PG College, Narayanguda.
Okay. And how do you know about SVC Training Institute?
I know SVC through Instagram.
And ఏం నేర్చుకున్నావు ఇక్కడ 2 months training లో?
I got knowledge in global accounting and investment banking. I also improved my communication skills through group discussions and jam sessions and real-time HR experience.
Okay. Good to know that. Yes, Naveen. And share your interview experience.
I got selected for Deloitte. In Deloitte, there are 3 rounds of interview. First round is HR screening round, and second round is exam, and third round is manager round. In the manager round, they asked me 15 questions, and I cracked that interview. And finally, they impressed with my performance, and they selected me.
Okay. Good to know that. And when you are going to join?
I'm going to join next week, sir.
Okay. Congratulations and all the very best.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.